Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get Google Play Store and iOS. So as you can see, I got it right here. So I can download all the Android apps and games. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, we got all the games. So it's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get on to the tutorial so you guys can enjoy it. So first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and we're going to go to this website right here, tweakmod.com. So in the search bar, I just want you to type Play Store, press install, and there you go. You started the download. Good luck. So before it downloads, there's going to be one more step, which is the verification. So in this step, we have to download 2 apps, follow instructions 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and we're going to be all good to go, guys. So let's just wait and see what happens. All right, so it's loading right now. So I'm just going to give it a second. So as you can see, it's loading, so it's going to say like missing files. So we just got to download some of these apps. You can see all of them right here. So like TikTok, download for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Or I could do like, Travel Town, reach level 9, Underdog, download for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of the apps, and there's a video if you're confused. That's how I get Play Store for iOS. So yeah, it's super insane, guys. As you can see, fully working. So all the games are here, so you can fully enjoy, guys. So if you're tired of being someone that has nothing on your device, you can actually install Android games now, which is obviously very cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is fully working, and it's super crazy. I've looked into some other videos, but this is the best way to do it, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, peace out, bro. This is wild.